If your images look blurry or low quality in Canva, this video is going to help you fix that fast. Today, I'll show you how to improve image quality in Canva using a few simple adjustments plus an AI enhancement option if you want even better results. This is perfect if you're creating thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, or any design that needs to look sharp and professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Canva tips and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, go to Canva and open the design you want to improve. Once your project is open, find the image that looks low quality and click on it to select it. This is important because Canva needs to know exactly which image you want to edit. After selecting the image, look for the Edit Photo button and click it. This will open up Canva's photo editing tools where you can make the image look clearer and more polished. Next, go to the Adjust section. This is where you can fine-tune the visual quality of the image without completely changing its style. Start by increasing Sharpness slightly. Sharpness helps bring out edges and details, but you want to keep it subtle so the image doesn't start looking harsh or unnatural. Then adjust clarity a little bit. Clarity can help improve the overall definition of the photo and make it feel cleaner and more refined. After that, raise the contrast just slightly if the image looks flat. Contrast can help separate the light and dark areas, which often makes the image appear more vibrant and easier to see. Now, if your image still looks a little dull, you can also adjust brightness. Be careful not to make it too bright because that can wash out the image and reduce quality instead of improving it. If needed, tweak the highlights as well. Lowering or balancing highlights can help recover detail in very bright areas and make the image look more even. The key here is to make small changes, not huge ones. A little goes a long way, and over-editing can actually make the image look worse. So after each adjustment, take a step back and compare how the image looks on your design. If the built-in adjustments still aren't giving you the result you want, Canva also has an AI enhancement option. To use that, click Edit Photo again, then go to Apps and look for Image Upscaler or Enhance, depending on what's available in your Canva account. This feature can help increase image quality automatically by improving detail and making the image look cleaner. Once you select it, apply the effect and wait for Canva to process the image. After it finishes, review the result and see if it looks sharper and more professional. This is especially useful for older images, compressed files, or pictures that were originally saved in low resolution. One more important tip is to download your final design in the best format for quality. If you want a crisp image for digital use, PNG is usually a great option. If you're creating something for print, choose PDF print so you get the highest possible output quality. That final export step matters just as much as the editing because the wrong download setting can make your image look blurry again. So to quickly recap, open your design, select the image, click Edit Photo, go to Adjust and carefully increase sharpness, clarity, and contrast. Then fine-tune brightness and highlights if needed. If you want extra enhancement, try the Image Upscaler or Enhance app and finish by downloading in PNG or PDF print for the best quality. And that's how you improve image quality in Canva in just a few simple steps. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.